Ready to unlock the vault and discover the top 5 CPA networks that could seriously boost your earnings this year? Let's dive in. At number 5, we have MaxBounty. Known for its high payouts and wide range of offers, especially in the lead generation and market research niches. Newbies, take note. They're strict on quality traffic, so make sure you know your stuff. Their support is top-notch and will guide you through their process. Coming in at number 4 is CPALead, or Commission Junction. This network boasts a massive selection of offers from well-known brands. They're perfect for seasoned marketers with established websites. Plus, their robust reporting tools are a data geek's dream. Securing the number 3 spot is ShareASale. This platform is a favorite for its user-friendly interface and focus on physical products, particularly in the fashion and home decor spaces. They have merchants that are well vetted and payment is reliable. And their affiliate marketing platform is easy to navigate and perfect for beginners. Taking the silver medal at number 2, it's CPALead. This network is ideal if you are looking for quick wins through content locking and offer walls. It's popular among mobile marketers and those who monetize downloads, but you have to carefully consider ethical practices. And finally, claiming the crown as our top pick, it's PeerFly. This award-winning network is consistently ranked highly for its diverse range of offers, competitive payouts, and outstanding support. They work with both beginners and experienced marketers alike, and their commitment to transparency is a breath of fresh air. This should be your go-to network.